In the tropics, we still have our one system hurricane now as of Saturday, Melissa. And you can see it's really strengthening here, getting a much more organized and symmetric kind of look. 90-mile-per-hour sustained winds and gusts are over 100 miles per hour. Now, the thing about Melissa that we've been saying is that it's going to have some time to strengthen pretty fast. It's losing its westerly shear and it's over very warm water. So this is not a good forecast path for the island of Jamaica. Big concerns there with really heavy rain, especially on the eastern side of the island. And look at this. The winds will also be a big concern because it looks like this might do that rapid intensification that we talk about with some of these hurricanes. It's over very warm water and with less wind shear and conditions a little more conducive to development. It could be soon a Category 4, and now even the National Hurricane Center's official forecast has Category 5. If it made landfall on Jamaica as a Category 5, that would be the strongest for that island since records were beginning to be kept in the Atlantic basin. So it does look like a lot of rain. We're talking maybe 20 to 30 inches for some parts of the eastern side of Jamaica. So this is very concerning to see the potential for landslides, mudslides, and so forth, especially again on the eastern half or so of the island. Plus, Haiti and Dominican Republic also could see some spots of more than a foot of rain, maybe even close to 2 feet in some spots of rain because it's just such a slow mover. Now then I'll show you in a second the steering, but it should finally get picked up, move somewhere over Cuba and possibly Turks and Caicos or Bahamas and get out into the western Atlantic, but maybe not till the middle and end of this upcoming week. Here's the upper level pattern, by the way. It's kind of been blocked from really moving too fast in any direction so far this week. And now we start to see the trough of low pressure coming off the eastern part of the U.S., picking it up and finally moving it out early to mid part of next week. And again, I've paused it here on Thursday. It's in the western Atlantic, finally leaving the Caribbean islands alone. But until then, it's going to be bringing some rain, wind, storm surge impacts, and so forth. So really concerned about some of these spots here. Again, Haiti and Dominican Republic, we've got tropical storm watches and warnings, hurricane warnings, of course, for Jamaica. And then this is new as of just a little while ago on your Saturday, a new hurricane watch for a big chunk of the eastern part of Cuba. Just looking at one model, our European model, you can see how much heavy rain may just be stuck over there starting sometime Saturday night and Sunday, and then all the way possibly into Monday. So again, really concerned about that part of the world, as it does look like it'll slowly get the nudge to the north around Cuba, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Tuesday and Wednesday, crossover, maybe Turks and Caicos and Bahamas by Wednesday and Thursday, and then farther out into the Atlantic. Our 7-day forecast, again, we're watching for our heavy rain potential for early tomorrow, and rain totals I think we'll be okay because we've had these drought conditions, so our soil should be able to handle the rain that we're going to get. But under a couple of storms, we might see a quick couple inches of rain, so we'll be watching for that, as well as that low-end severe risk, mainly on Sunday morning. And then Monday looking fine, Tuesday fine, Tuesday night into early Wednesday, that's when that next big front moves in. So that's your slight chance of rain on Wednesday early morning. And then look at those temperatures, 40s and 50s north and south for the mornings at the end of next week. Highs, maybe only 60s on Thursday and Friday. If you're trick-or-treating or have Friday night Halloween plans, temperatures will likely be falling from the 60s into the 50s through the evening hours. So getting a little chilly for Halloween this year.